Congratulations. This is Bianca. How can I help you?
Hi, Bianca. It's been a long time since I spoke with you. This is Mike Barber in Springfield, Illinois. And
Yes,
you guys
sir.
helped me get my credit straight, and I now am a homeowner. Closed on my house a couple months ago. I just want to take a moment to thank you, Bianca, because my credit was in shambles, and you guys did exactly what I was told you could do. I was kind of skeptical for quite a while, but you guys are the best. It's a good feeling to actually get all this nightmare straightened out and behind me. You guys saved me a lot of money. You're very professional. I really appreciate it.
No
If I
problem.
ever need you guys or anybody I know needs you, I'll definitely refer you.
All right. Well, I do thank you, Mr. Barber, and congratulations. We're happy to hear that you
All
were
right.
able to obtain your home loan.
Yes, I'm very happy, man. Thank you very much. You have a
You're
great
welcome.
weekend, okay?
You
All right,
too.
thank you, hon.
So pick up the phone today, and like Mr. Barber, you'll be glad you did. Call us at 1-866-217-9841 or visit us at www.msicredit.com.